When you are a writer and you're working on a screenplay and you write, he stands behind a beautiful, unbelievable sunset like it was painted by God himself. And then the production manager, like Guy Dias, creates a beautiful sunset like this. We're all very, very proud of him, and we think, you know, he really nailed what was in the script.
Going to? We got a 60. Guys, come here.
Anyone that's busy, I've got earplugs for you.
And shoot.
Okay, Brandon, do it without the ball in your hand.
You could still see it as a tiny room.
Could you play back the last take?
Watch this, but you won't see in the high def, unfortunately, but like...
Oh, that's amazing. Holy shit. It's like Gone with the Wind.
I have no video. I have no video.
Shot.